Wednesday, May 8th, 2019. Currently looking at the composite radar imagery for the continental U.S. and we're going to review these insane storms that's been popping up here in the central and southern plains, time and time, same time every night. Just intense. This is current image. Texas is getting it right now. Current image. You can see all these points of convection. Now this is the storm I covered in my last video. Look at this. This is focused energy. Now I told you about the wakes from the wind farms. Well, they can focus radar beams and intensify these so-called updrafts and convection. This is from last evening. Here's something I shared before, but this one, it's called Developing X-band Magnetron Doppler Radar for Weather Modification. Okay, this one's for hail suppression and rain enhancement. It says it's not only achievable by making clouds to produce more precipitation, it is also possible to recycle the water more often and to add full or partial cycles of rain. And here's their little weather modifier. And it's just a radar dish on top of a truck. This is X-band. Now we have X-band radars, the US, and they're on the barges. They look like the next rad balls, but they're a lot bigger. There's well, they're all over the place. They're all in the Gulf. They're also part of the electronic countermeasure system with the space fence. We'll take a look at this morning. We're getting space sensor interference on the reflectivity imagery. We'll look at last night's ionization cycle. These radars can bloom up at night, and what they do is mimic the ionization of the sun as the sun's down. And every night for about a week now, we've been getting a spike in the Schumann resonance at night. If you ask me what that's from, I'd say it's from ionospheric heaters. What else we got going? Oh, here's a cloud seeding company I came across, justclouds.com. Here's an article on the possibility of weather modification by aircraft contrails. Alright. They're saying that commercial equals that. If you ask me, it's more than the actual cloud seeding operations. To me, the commercial air flights are flying to a numerical cloud model, or climate model, seeding, dissipating, and overseeding. Everything's refreshing now. Alright, but anyways, also, the past few nights, it's been these ship tracks, and I've said before, most of this lower stratus deck, which is the blue, is comprised of ship tracks. Marine cloud brightening, they call it. Here, let's take a look at the current image if it loads. Well, we're lagging, but I just want to make a quick review of this insanity here, and I would expect it again this evening. Yeah, all my bookmarks, you probably can't see them here, but I got like 5 pages of just links. Wish I could like save all them and give them to people, and you know, you got to read up on what they're talking about, and then you can see it happen in real time. But I just want to make a quick review of this insanity. We'll check back in at a later date.